on to question number 5. Find part A 1 by 2 of part 1 24 and part 2 46. Now we are going to find the values. Now for the first part 1 by 2 of means multiply, and part 1 is 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the answer is 12. Now part 2 1 by 2 of means multiply, 46. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So the answer is 23. Now part B 2 by 3 of part 1 18 and part 2 27. We start with the part 1. 2 by 3 of means multiply, 18. 3 6 are 18. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Part 2 2 by 3 of means multiply, 27. 3 nines are 27. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. Now part C. First part is 3 by 4 of means multiply. Part 1 16. 4 4s are 16. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Part second 3 by 4 of means multiply, 36. 4 nines are 36. 3 nines are 27. Part D 4 by 5 of part 1 20 and part 2 35. Part 1 4 by 5 of means multiply, 20. 5 4s are 20. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Part second 4 by 5 of means multiply, part second 35. 5 7s are 35. 4 multiplied by 7. 7 4s are 28. So this is the question number 5. Question number 6, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. We'll start with the part 1. 3 into 5 is to 1 by 5. So we'll write 3 multiply. This is the mixed fraction. So first we are going to solve it. 5 5s are 25 and 1 26. 26 by 5. Now we'll multiply. 3 multiplied by 26 is equal to 78. Divide by 5. Now for expressing as the mixed fraction we have to divide it. 5 ones are 5. Remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 3. So the answer is 15 as the whole number, 3 as the numerator and 5 as the denominator. So this is the answer. 15 is to 3 by 5. Part B 5 multiplied by 6 is to 3 by 4. 5 multiply. We solve this mixed fraction. 6 is to 3 by 4. We multiply 6 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 27 by 4. Now we will multiply 5 to 27. The answer is 135 divided by 4. Now for expressing as the mixed fraction, we have to divide it. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 3.
33 as the whole number.
3 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator. Part C 7 multiplied by 2 is to 1 by 4. So we will write 7 multiply. This is the mixed fraction. 4 multiplied by 2 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. 7 multiplied by 9. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. Divide by 4. Now for the mixed fraction we have to divide. 4 ones are 4. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 3. So 15 as the whole number, 3 as the numerator and 4 as the denominator. So this is the answer. 15 is to 3 by 4. Part D 4 multiplied by 6 is to 1 by 3. Now for solving 4 multiplied by, this is the mixed fraction. First we are going to solve it. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 19 by 3. 4 multiplied by 19 is equal to 76 by 3. Now for expressing as the mixed fraction, we'll have to divide 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. So 25 as the whole number, 1 as the numerator and 3 as the denominator. Part E, 3 is to 1 by 4 multiplied by 6. First we are going to express this one. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 4 multiplied by 6. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 13 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. 13 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 39 divided by 12. Now for expressing as the mixed one, we have to divide it. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 19 as the whole number, 1 as the numerator and 2 as the denominator. Part F, 3 is to 2 by 5 multiplied by 8. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 5 multiplied by 8. 17 multiplied by 8 is equal to 136 divided by 5. Now for expressing as the mixed fraction, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, remainder 1, 27, 1 as the numerator and 5 as the denominator. So this is the answer. 27 is to 1 by